Imagine you have run a great quiz, but you forgot to add the questions into the question library to reuse. Say no more, this video is for you. Hi there and welcome. Here is the quiz, and let's check out the questions. Now, let's go and check out our question library. As you can see, I have several folders already created. You can import your questions into an existing folder or create a new folder. For this demonstration, I will use the folder titled Today. Once I access the folder, I select Import. Then select Browse Existing Questions as shown. Make sure to select the source. The source collection is the title of the quiz where your questions are currently. Select which questions you want to import. Then, select Import at the bottom. Select Done Editing Questions. Now, you have successfully copied over questions in a quiz into the question library. Thanks for watching.